Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Monday, February 22nd. I hope everybody enjoyed their snow week, not just a snow day. Hope your families are all doing well. If you are having any issues still that are going to prohibit you from being able to do your work, please just let me know and I can work with you on this. So let's take a look at our week at a glance. So we're going to review our moon phase data collection. We've got several days to go over today. Then we're going to start our seasons. So I wanted to break us in just gently with seasons. So we're going to watch a video and answer some questions. That's going to be our introduction. Tomorrow we'll have our class discussion and notes over seasons and practice. You'll have a checkpoint to complete. On Wednesday it is another grit day, so you will follow the instructions in your first period teachers folder. On Thursday, continue our discussion of seasons. There'll be an activity where you're going to complete a picture and then you have a lab grade. After that, on Friday, I just want to make sure we're good on seasons. We're going to look at our moon phase data collection to wrap it up because we're going to start our notes on moon phases, and you will complete an exit ticket. Academic coaching is listed here. If you notice, I've added room numbers for the afternoon. We are now allowed to have after-school tutorials. So if you are an in-person learner, then you can attend tutoring after school in any of these classrooms. So let's take a look at today. So the first thing we want to do is review the moon phase data collection. So if we go into the main page, let's take a look. We've got several days worth that we need to go over. So I'm going to jump in, advances, let's go to, there we go. So if we start here on what would have been last Monday, you see that we're at a waxing crescent at 14%. Pay attention to what's happening on the right side of the moon as I advance. Here's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you notice we are now up to 47% illumination. You see that advancing on the right-hand side of the light. On Saturday, the 20th, we jumped to 57%. So if we look here, 47% to 57%, a large change. Now you notice we went from a waxing crescent to a first quarter and then to a waxing gibbous. We were only a first quarter for one day, and that was the day that we were closest to 50%. So then on Saturday, we had gone past 50% to 57%, so we were waxing gibbous, still gaining light on the right. So if we look at the whole week, paying attention to what happened on the right-hand side, we transitioned from waxing crescent to first quarter to waxing gibbous. Now to take a look at all of our moon phases that we've seen, if we look kind of at a week at a time. So we started with the full moon. A week later, we were at the last or third quarter. About a week later, we were at a new moon. And then just past a week, we're at a first quarter. You kind of see how the progression of those main phases, the main four phases, happen every week. So then if we look at Sundays, we were still at a waxing gibbous up to 66%. And then today, we are up to 75%. This would be considered like a perfect waxing gibbous. All right, so we've seen a lot of changes, and let's see how it ends this week. Let's go back into our Monday folder and see what we need to do today. So we've done the moon phase data collection, so the last thing you have is this Science Court Seasons. So it's a video that you're going to watch. While you're watching this video, you're going to be filling in the answers to these questions. Now if we take a look, there's also a link to the video right there. Put your answers over here in the right-hand column. You see this one says insert a drawing. So over in this area, you're going to insert a drawing. So if I have my cursor there, choose Insert, Drawing, New. Create your drawing, and you can use your shapes. So let's just say I'm doing something like that. Okay. Save it and close it, and it'll insert your drawing for you. When you have finished this, please submit it for me to grade. And then tomorrow we'll jump in with our discussion. So plan on most of the day tomorrow. We're going to be discussing and answering questions together. All right, Gladiators, I'm so happy to have everybody back. Have a great day.